Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shakur Bello Polytechnic Sokoto, Department of Computer and D2. I'm here to explain the three types of network cables. The three types of network cable are twisted fair cable, motion cable, fiber optic cable. Number one, twisted fair cable are the most common types of network cable. They consist of fair insulted copper, insulted copper, and insulted copper wire twisted together to reduce electromagnetic interference. Number two, bundle cable. Bundle cable have a single copper wire conductor at the center, surrounded by a layer of insulation, a metal sheet, and outer core. Number three, fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable used in stand of glass or plastic fiber to transmit data using light glasses.